Hello everyone, welcome to my tutorial on Introduction to Java. Today's tutorial we are going to write a very small Java program. Basically we'd like to get familiar with some of the Java concepts such as what is a Java package, what is Java class, and what is Java methods. This is going to be a very exciting one because this is our first program. So what is a Java package? Java package is basically kind of a folder structure where we put our Java source files, and that actually helps us preventing naming conflict and help us to control access to different Java source files. A Java class is called a blueprint, and we are going to learn more about the Java classes in our object-oriented programming tutorial. A Java method is a collection of statements that perform some specific tasks. So here's the thing, that a package can have many classes and a class can have many methods. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, so if we go, here is our folder C dev, and then we have Java 101, this is our workspace, and then under that we have created the two projects, J101, which is having two directories, bin and src, and within the src directory we are going to write a class which is called as hello world.java. This is our source file, and when that is going to be compiled, it's going to create hello world.class. So now if you put the hello world.class files in any operating system which runs the JVM, you will be able to run that program. Okay, so in this hello world.java we are going to write a simple method to print something. Okay, so that means our package, this is the hierarchy, our package can have multiple Java files, and each Java file can have multiple methods. Okay, so now let's see that how we can write a Java file. So if we want to write a Java file, this is the way, that public class and then hello world, and then that's it. So this is our class type. Okay, that means you have to have a access modifier which is a public, this is a keyword, and then you have another keyword that is the class, and then this is the class name which is hello world. Okay, and there is a naming convention of it. The first character of the class should be what? Should be uppercase, and whatever, and then we need to put a curly brace on, and this is the closing of the curly brace, and between these two is called the body. Okay, or we can call the class body. Inside the class body we write methods, and the methods can be like this as well: public void, and then method name, and then we have a curly brace again, and then this is called the method body. And in here we write our statement 1, statement 2, etc. Okay, so now let's get into our IDE, which is the Eclipse, and I already have opened it, and you can see like there is a project J101, and in the src we are going to right click, new, and then class. Okay, and see that there is a first thing, that is the package. So we are going to create a new package, which is com.j101. okay, and we are going to, actually it should be lowercase, 101, and then we are going to write this hello world. Okay, so this is the name of the class, and you can see like there is an superclass input box over there, and this is automatically populated with the java.lang.object. So what does it mean? It means that all your classes are derived from the object class. Again, we'll learn that later on in our object-oriented Java language programming. So now click on finish, and then you can see that the class is created, hello world. Okay, and then this is our class. Remember that this and this has to be same. Okay, otherwise there will be an error. Let's see if I'm going to make it hello world 1, and then right away it's putting a red mark, which means like this is an error. Okay, so let's move it back where it was, and then that's it. And then let's create a method here, static void main, works, and then we're going to write so see the good thing about Eclipse, like whenever you are going to put a class and then put a dot, and then the automatically all the members of the class or the member of the methods will be coming up automatically. Okay, so we are going to use system.out.print ln, and then this is my first Java class. Okay, so, and just save it, and then you go here and then right click, run as Java application. Okay, and then you can see like in your console it is printed as this is my first Java class. Okay, so now if we go to our directory structure, see C dev, and this is my workspace J101, and then under that I have this project J101, and then in that you can see src, and then this is the package, right? If you can remember, look at the package here, package com.j101. so com, and then there will be another folder J101, and then under that we have our hello world.java. So in the same way, it's going to be in the bin directory. Go to bin com j101, and then you can see the hello world.class file. Okay, so now what does it mean? This package is, again, it's our folder structure. This is our class, and this is our method. Okay, and this is a statement executed inside the method. That means we have told the hello world class to execute a method, and in this case the method name is main. Okay, this is, remember, so the purpose of the main method is that when you are running a class, the JVM will always try to look at the main method. Okay, so as soon as it finds the main method, it execute. Without a main method, you cannot execute your Java project. So every project has to have at least, every project has to have a main method. Okay, so that's it for today. We'll be in the next tutorial, we'll be talking about what it stands for public, what it stands for static, what it stands for void, those things. Till then, goodbye.